Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Me and Car Keys. So it is a beautiful, beautiful day in the A. It is officially fall, autumn, as I call it. It is officially also October the 1st, which means it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Now, breast cancer awareness is a very important cause, very near and dear to me. It affects a lot of people on a yearly basis. So I just want to wear my pink to, bring awareness to the cause and make sure people don't forget about it. Because there's so much going on in the world, it's easy to forget about it. It's easy to forget to get your mammograms and get your checkups every year. So please go get your mammograms. Please encourage those around to get their mammograms. If you feel something, say something. Check it out. Go to the doctor. Whatever you need to do to make sure your health is A1, everything is good. And also, wear your pink. So today's video started off with me editing the last video. So I was editing the last video and I saw something that was a little odd. Yeah, that, or should I say this? This light bulb went out. All right, so to give a little background, when I first got this truck, one of the first things I did was I put LEDs up here because I noticed when I was in reverse, I couldn't see anything, right? I couldn't see what was behind me. If I looked behind me in the mirrors or if I looked in the backup camera, I could barely see what was behind me. So one of the first things I did was I put LEDs here, got rid of the halogens because they were too dark. And then I ended up putting these down here to get more lighting because I still couldn't see that well. So the weird thing is that if this goes out, it's kind of hard to tell that it goes out. Like you can't see it because you're driving. There's no notification that it went out or anything of that sort. The only reason I saw it is because I was editing video. So the only way you'd see it is if somebody tells you or if you really just can't see anything behind you. Anyway, not a problem because the sponsor of today's video is Auxedo LED Lighting. Now, Auxedo offers a wide variety of LED lights, high beams, low beams, signal lights, reverse lights, interior lights. They offer pretty much every light bulb that you can think of. That's for your vehicle. They offer all of it. So check out their website and see what they have for your car. Now, if you do decide to purchase something, make sure you put in my code, me and Car Keys, and you'll get 10%. I'm sorry. You will now get 15% off on your order. Not 10%, not 12%. You will get 15% off. Save you a little bit of money, help you see better on the roads. To change out the reverse lights in your 2015 and up F-150, it's probably the same for all F-150s, but I have a 2015, so that's my reference point. 2015 F-150, you have to remove your tail lights. It's one of the simplest things in the history of life. So what you do is it has two screws here. They are 8mm screws, one here, one there. Take those out and you slide your tail light back. Don't go out, slide it back towards you. All right, so now that we have our tail lights off, you have two light sockets. One is the green one at the bottom is your reverse light. Top one is your tail light bulb. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect both of them because I don't want this light to just be hanging because it can scratch your paint. So we're gonna take both of them off. All right. Set that to the side. And airplane. Anyway, airplanes always interrupt my videos. That was like circling the house. Anyway, so here you get to see a difference here. This is my old LED bulb that blew out. This is what a halogen bulb looks like. So this is the difference between a halogen bulb and an LED bulb. So LEDs have small all these smaller LEDs around the side. They also have LEDs on the inside. These halogens have 2 beams. The one that comes on when you hit your brakes. It's kind of hard to see that, but yeah, it's two bars going across. Those are the 2 light beams. Anyway, not important. So, so this green one is our reverse light. I need gloves. There we go. So to remove your old bulb, you just hold it, take it, and you pull straight out. That's it. Put that to the side. So these are our new Auxedo LED light bulbs. They are 3157/3156. So unboxing here. They come in the box and they come in paper wrapped to keep them protected. All right, so we're gonna take one out. I'm doing another quick comparison here. This is our new Auxedo LED light bulb. This is our old LED light bulb. I don't even remember the name brand of this one. It was off Amazon. I don't remember what it was. I noticed this one's a little longer. I'm not sure what difference that will make. Let's find out. So to install these, you just take your bulb, push it back in, hear it snap. That's it. As easy as that. We take our tail light housing and we screw these back in. So the light bulb's a little longer, but it still fits. Still fits with no problem. You see from the front here, there's our LED bulb right there. Fits with no problem, it's plenty of space. So put these back in, you just tuck the wires back in, line it up. There you go. Yeah, that is super bright. That's bright. It's daytime and that's super bright. Yeah, I might not have even needed to add reverse lights to this truck if I had lights that bright. How you doing? All right, y'all, there you have it. Super bright Auxedo LED reverse lights for your F-150. Very easy, very simple. Just 2 screws. And by the way, don't forget, put your screws back in. I already did it, but don't forget to put your screws back in. So once again, if you want to get some lights for your truck, for your vehicle, no matter what vehicle it is, check out Auxedo.com. See what they have for you. And once again, don't forget to use the code Me and Car Keys to get 15% off of your order. Save you just a little bit of money and help you see a little better. So if you made it this far, that means you watched the entire video. You might as well subscribe. Leave me a comment. What do you think? Till next time, thank you for watching.